welcome to the John and Dad Show. Today we have 3 of the Disney Crossy Road. We have 3 of the Disney Crossy Road Series 2 minifigures we're going to open. We have 3 of them. And then we have this tie mini collectible that we're going to open.
We've got a few of those, right?
Yeah, I think the only ones we don't have are Leona, Icy, Sammy, Waddles,
That's quite a few. It's
Safari.
about half.
And Safari. So we'll start with the Disney Crossy Road, guys. Wouldn't that be crazy if we got a limited edition? I would be extremely excited. There's the checklist.
Yeah, there's a lot of different ones.
You can get
It's like 100 you can get.
Oh, wouldn't that be cool if we got Hank or Destiny or Becky?
Any of the
Ooh.
limited editions would be really, really crazy.
Rudder's a limited
And there's
edition.
some that are called classics. There's a lot.
So if you want, you can look at the checklist
Okay,
of all
I'm
the
gonna stand
characters.
here to block the sun.
Oh, it's new, and her stand fell.
We got a new one.
Oh, wait, never mind. That wasn't her stand that fell out.
Who is it?
Wait, what happened to? Oh, it fell out in the bag. I was
that
like, does she
Becky?
not have a stand? Yeah, we got Becky.
Oh my gosh.
One of your stickers just blew off your hat.
Oh, I've had stickers on since the second show of the day. Wow, that's exciting to get Becky. Becky's one that they call a secret one.
Yeah, she's a secret.
Extremely rare. That's a good one. You better hold Becky up really close to the camera there.
And yeah, she's new. Like, we never had a Becky before. Bark.
Bark, bark.
Oh, her eye is like halfway open, just like on that mystery mini we got of her in that video whenever we did the Finding Dory mystery minis.
Want to do this next? This next. Becky's ready.
Wait a minute, is this another new? Yay, I think this is new.
Two new.
This is new.
Is that hyena?
Yeah, it is. Is that Banzai or Shenzi? It's Shenzi.
Yeah, Shenzi from The Lion King. The hyena.
What is she? Classic? Rare? Epic? Secret?
Let's see.
Legendary?
Shenzi. I know she's funny. She's red.
What does
So,
red mean? Classic.
Classic.
Oh,
Yeah,
Shenzi's
Lion
classic.
King classic. Yeah. Awesome.
And she is.
No stand for Shenzi.
No, she doesn't have a stand.
I like Shenzi.
And I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm pretty sure she's new. But wait,
Put her
where'd
on
Becky
here.
go? Oh,
Right
you
there.
put her right there.
Put Shenzi up here where we can see her too.
There's Shenzi.
Huh. Yeah, that'll work.
And we have one more. Wouldn't that be?
This was a great one already of the Disney Crossy Road characters.
So we got 2 new ones.
And they're really cute ones.
Wouldn't that be crazy if we got another new one?
Crazy.
It's a duplicate.
Good duplicate?
It is a duplicate of Elizabeth Swan from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Ooh, yeah. Well, she's a good one.
What is she? Classic? I think she's classic. Maybe she's rare. You can look at the checklist.
Yeah.
See what
I'll look
Elizabeth
her up.
Swan is.
Elizabeth Swan is.
Right there in
She's on
Pirates.
Is she red? Yeah, she's classic.
Oh.
Classic rare. Yeah, she's white also. Classic rare.
No?
White square.
No, it's just the one underneath that means it.
Okay.
So she's classic, just classic.
Not rare.
It's just the one underneath
Well,
that means
it's pretty cool that we got her. I like Shenzi though.
I really like Becky.
I think that's the first Shenzi we've ever opened of anything. In any mystery mini, pop vinyl.
Video.
That's our first Shenzi. Here we've got this one mini boo. They're mini boo hand painted. They're kind of cute. It's just like a nice little extra thing we do sometimes. And they are cute. They have big eyes. They're very adorable.
Some are furry, but some aren't.
Yeah, we've had a few that were flocked. You want to say hi to Mom and Emily? They're still in Vegas. They've been in Vegas for a week.
Hi, Mom and Emily.
Hi.
Wait, this is new.
Ooh.
Who is it?
It is
there a
an
list?
owl that is flocked. Is it kind of flocked? No owl on that list. Sammy the owl, right there.
Yep, that's Sammy.
That's Sammy. Hold Sammy up to the camera. Sammy's adorable.
I think, is that a girl or a boy?
Sammy could be both ways.
So I don't know if it's a girl or a boy.
It's like a nice flocked face and a flocked tummy where there's feathers.
Well, her
And then
tummy's
the-
not flocked. Her tummy's not furry, but her face is.
Okay, it's kind of like wood. But her face is flocked.
Her face is furry, but
Hold
the
it up
rest
close
of
up
her's
here. Let's
not.
take a look. Green eye Sammy. Oh, Sammy's nice though. I think that's a very nice Sammy.
Please like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.
Bye, says Shenzi.